Example 9, they want us to convert 45,789 inches to miles. So when we did before, we have 45,789 inches is equal to some unknown number of miles. Now we don't have a direct conversion between inches and miles. When this happens, we have to have an intermediate conversion. So we're actually going to be doing the process we were doing twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to introduce a new unknown because I don't know inches to miles, but I do know inches to feet, and I know feet to miles because they give it to me here. So I'm going to change my inches to feet, and then I'm going to change that into miles. So I'm going to say 45,789 inches is going to equal to some amount of feet, and then I'm going to convert that into miles. So I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, and I know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So these are the two I'm going to use to compare. So looking at the first one, putting my unknown, I know that y feet is going to equal 45,789 inches. And I'm going to compare that with my 1 foot and 12 inches. Now, just as before, I'm going to multiply both sides by my denominator here, 45,789 inches on both sides. So my 45,789 inches are going to cancel over here, and just my inches on this side. So I get that my y feet is equal to 1 times 45,789 divided by my 12 feet. So dividing that out, I get 3815.75 feet. So now I know that the y is equal to 3815, so I can go ahead and insert that in for my y. So I know that 45,709 inches is equal to 3815.75 feet. So now I can concentrate on the second half. So I can say that x miles is equal to 3815.75 feet. And I know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. So multiply both sides by this denominator. So 3815.75 feet multiplied by 3815.75 feet. So as before, my denominator cancels out here, and this only the feet unit cancels out. So I'm left with x miles is equal to 1 times 3815.75. It's going to be divided by 5280. And dividing that out gives me a 0.72 miles. So putting it all together, I can say that 45,789 inches is going to equal 0.72 miles.